Hi. This is my first Nendoroid unboxing video. Hope you guys will like it. This is Nendoroid 1455. Tobio Kageyama in new Karasuno uniform version. AHH seal is broken because I already opened the box by the time it arrived at my workplace. Medio samo lang lols. I bought this one from Haikyū via Shopee. This is not the first Nendo that I bought this year. Todoroki was the first one and I got it from Geek Freaks PH. I'll be posting their links below just so if anyone became interested in collecting too. I'll just show you first what's inside the box and maybe try some parts on Tobio. I didn't expect that there will be this many extra parts. All are for the assembly and or pose of Kageyama. I just started collecting Nendas this year, 2021. I remember seeing someone posting his collections of Nendas, then I thought that I will only buy one from each of my favorite anime, but guess who already ordered 1/3 of her favorite Haikyū characters online? I just love the details. I'm a newbie at collecting Nendoroids, so I still don't know how should I keep them. I'm thinking of making an acrylic box per line of anime that I bought, but my room is just too small to display these. For now, I'm thinking of just keeping them inside their boxes. I also want to keep the extra parts of each Nendas in a way where it won't fade or become yellowish. Still not sure about this though. Any suggestions you have, please comment down below. Thank you.